மால்வி கணக்கன் என்ற
Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Hello.
Nitin.
Bhuvan, in last class we completed the EAGRP.
EAGR.
So
Sir,
we are completing the EAGRP topic.
yes, sir. Today we go to the topic, sir. What
OSPF.
OSPF topic, sir.
Okay. So let's start the OSPF. Obviously. Okay. So let's start the OSPF topic. Open shortest path first. Okay. This is the legacy protocol and work on Dijkstra algorithm. Dijkstra means shortest path first. It always choose. Okay, and uses protocol number 89, and it has two multicast address 2240.0.5 and 2240.0.6. Five are used by all router multicast addresses, and six is used by DR and BDR routers. Okay, so AD value is 110 and unlimited hop count. Okay, okay, and it has unlimited hop count. Okay, in IGRP we have only by default 100 hop count, and we can extend up to 255, but in OSPF unlimited hop count. Okay, and metric of OSPF is cost. Okay, how to calculate the cost reference bandwidth divided by link bandwidth? Okay, bro. Bandwidth always be in Mbps. So OSPF is a concept of area. Okay, range of area is start from 0 to 65535 0 to 65535 and area 0 is backbone area and all other area is standard area and all the area must be connected to the area 0. So why we use area for a small database size? Suppose if we have multiple router, one, two, three, 4, 5 means unlimited or many you can say that. So our database size is too large for maintain all the database for all the routers. So OSPF does divided it all in the area. I want to divide this 7 router in one area and this 3 router in another area. Okay. Sorry. So for this, our database size are small. Okay. After that, we have types of routers. Backbone router, internal router. Backbone router means a router which has all interface. Sorry, first we talked about the area 0. Always we have one area and area number is 0 because area 0 is backbone area. Okay, and all the area number is standard area. So we have types of router, backbone router, internal router, and AVR, and yes, we have many types of router. So backbone router is a router which has all the interface in backbone area. If all the interface in backbone area, then it becomes backbone router like this example. All the router connected to each other, but in only area 0. So it becomes a backbone router. A router which has all the interface in area 0, it becomes backbone router. Okay, and a router which has all the interface in other areas 1, 2, 3, 4 means any area number, it becomes a standard router. Standard area. Sorry. Standard area and this one is internal router. Okay, all the router is internal router. And one router is which connect both area 0 and area 1. A router which connect two area, it becomes ABR. But ABR one interface should be, or we say that must be in area 0. Then our connection should be established. This one is ABR, area border router. And ASPR, we can see this in the when we do redistribution critical after OSPF, then we can see this autonomous system order. So what is neighborship criteria? Area ID must be same, router ID must be unique, and timer must match and MTU must match. So how we configure the OSPF? Any doubt in theory part? Both.
No, Keith.
So
Yes. No, sir.
okay. So how we configure the OSPF? Let's see one time a normal topology. Today we are not do the practical of area. Only we take three routers and how to configure the OSPF. Because in OSPF we have three practical. Okay. Okay. Abhishek, 2300. This is normal topology. We take only three router and see the commands of OSPF. Okay. So we have three routers. Between this router we have 21 network and here we have 23 network. And now go in global configuration mode on router, run command router OSPF. And here we have to give the process ID. Process ID between the 12655535. Okay, so if I give here 100, then enter. Now we have to give here network. Which network is directly connected to the router 0? Kishore?
21.
And then subnet mask.
Sir.
And here we have to give the area 0. So if we take only three routers and normal, then we take area 0. Always we select the area 0 and then exit. Now I am in router 1, router OSPF 1, network is 21000, subnet is 255, area ID should be same, network 23000, and here we give router OSPF 1, network is 23000, subnet is 255, and area.
OSPF is 100, right?
Just a minute. Wait for 10 seconds.
Ankit, OSPF number is wrong, I think.
No, it's become because process ID
Okay.
in EIGRP we have to give the same AS number, but in OSPF it doesn't must be same for the process ID. Okay, if you want to give same process ID, it can be easy for us. Okay, but if we give here different type of AS number, that doesn't create any problem. See here, now 21 network is up by using OSPF. O means OSPF. 110 is AD value and 2 is metric. Y23001. If you want to ping 21001, then ping is successful. Okay,
Okay.
in OSPF only some things is must be just like area ID must be same, router ID should be unique. So these things is important in this. Okay, so you want sorry, Bhuvan, you want to do this?
So the process ID is same in all three router, or it can be different.
Yeah, you want to do this now?
Just want to know.
Yes,
No, I want to know the process ID is same in all router, or it can be different.
it depend on you.
Okay.
Okay, so you want to do this now?
Uh, no, I understand that.
Okay, then we continue.
Ah,
Yes. Now, router ID. It is the unique identification of devices in the OSPF. So how we elect the router ID? Here we have two criteria. First one is manually. If I want to configure the manually. If router ID is not assigned manually, then router elect the router ID dynamically. First, it prefer the highest IP addresses of the loopback interface. What is loopback? So loopback is a logical interface. It is used for the testing purpose. Okay, if we doesn't create any loopback on the router, then it always take highest IP address of the physical interface. Okay, OSPF timer is OSPF has two timer, hello and dead. Hello time is 10 second and dead time is 40 second. Every 10 second hello OSPF send a hello packet. If in 10 second it does not receive any hello packet from the neighbor, then it will be wait for the 40 second and then it remove the from the routing table this particular route. So what is process ID? The process ID is a numerical value. A router can have one or multiple process ID, but a single interface can bring a single process. It is not necessary to match the process ID on two neighbor router. Now we come on the OSPF packets. Okay, so in OSPF we have five types of packets. First one is hello. This packet is used to discover the neighbor. After discovery, this is used to maintain the neighbor also. Okay, this is sent for the discover the neighbor, and after discovery it is used for the maintain the neighbor. And then our next packet is DVD packet. Router never sent full database never shift. Router forward summary of database using DVD packet. If suppose that I can meet the Bhuvan first time, then I can send hello Bhuvan, how are you? Okay, and then I can send only Bhuvan, hello Bhuvan, how are you? And after that I can also send I'm Ankit from Craw Security, I'm a network trainer. It means only I can send a summary of my introduction. Okay, Bhuvan. First time when you meet someone, only you send the summary of introduction. Just like this, OSPF send only summary of the database. It does not send the full database. Okay, when the never received DVD packet, router never sent full database and find the missing piece of information. If after that one want to know something about me, hello Ankit, where are you from? What do you do in your qualification? Then he can send me LSR, link state request. Like this, router never sent full database find the missing piece of information. Then router generate LSR to get the complete information of the missing database. Okay, so LSR generate for the request to send the complete information. After that, when a router receive LSR, it responds with the LSU packet. In this packet, router provide complete database as requested. And then in last, router receive link state update and generate LS act in the response. Go on, any doubt?
No.
Kishore?
No, sir.
Okay, now come on the OSPF state. We have 7 types of OSPF state: down, init, 2x, start, exchange, loading. Down, no hello packet has been received on the interface or if something is misconfigured. Then init, router has received a hello message from the other OSPF router. Okay, but it does not send any uh, but it does not send the hello packet to the router. Now in two-way, hello packet is received and it also send the own hello packet and bidirectional communication has been established. Router ID present in this packet. Okay, and now we come on the X start. In this state, router access blank DBD means empty DBD, and in this MTU is compared. If someone asks you, you know about OSPF, then tell me. If our neighborship is stuck in the X start, then what is the region? And the region is MTU is mismatch. If MTU is mismatch, then our neighborship is stuck in the X start state. Okay. Also perform master and slave lesson. By default, hello. Now, DR and BDR adjacency with each router with highest router ID elected as the master. Okay, next in the exchange state. Exchange means in this state, router sends the summary of database. It means it sends the DVD packet. In loading, LSR sent to the neighbor for every network. It does not know about the neighbor reply with the LSU with contain information about the requested network. Okay, and when neighbor receive LSU always reply with the ls acknowledgement. And in full, in this state, routers are adjacent. Any doubt or any question about this, all the theory part, one or Kishore, anyone? Hello.
No, Ankit.
Now we can do the ABR practical. Okay.
Okay.
If we have 5 routers, okay. Here we have 5 routers and connecting in the different area. Okay. So this router is our ABR router. Okay. Here we have 10 network, 20, 30, and here we have 23 network. Okay. And this one is our area 0, or we say that backbone area. Area 1, it means it is our standard area. So this two router is our internal router, and this two router is our backbone router. So firstly configure the IP addresses 10.0.0.1, 20.0.0.1 IP, Now we configure the OSPF on all the router. Firstly, I can configure on router 0, router 1, router 3 and router 4. I am not configured the OSPF on router 2 because it's our ABR. So we can do this in last. So firstly, I can run command router OSPF 1 network is 10.0.0.1. Sorry, subnet is 255.0 dot ADI 0 and then next. Network is 10.0.0.255.0.0.0 ADI 0 and now our network is 20. Now see Bhuvan, I can do this same AS number. Okay.
Okay.
Router OSPF 1 network is 30.0.0.0. Subnet is 255 and then area is 1. Network 23.0.0.0. Subnet is this and then area is 1. Router OSPF 1 network is 23.0.0.0. Subnet is this and area is 1. Now we go on the router 2 on ABR and now configure the OSPF. Router OSPF is 1, network is 20, subnet is 255 and area is area is for 20 network
20 it is 0.
0. Network 30.0.0.0. Subnet is this. And area for 30 network is Kishore?
1.
Yes. Now you can see, go on any router and you can check this show IP route. If I want to ping show IP. Now you can see this 20 network is jumped by using O means OSPF and this one is metric and AD value and OIA means OSPF enter area. Okay, means between different area 2300 network and 30 network. If I want to ping 30002, sorry, from here now we can router 0 ping 10.0.0.1. Ping is successful. So this one is our ABR practical. Today you have to do this two practical and we will continue from tomorrow with another practical and some more theory about the OSPF because OSPF has some large topic. Okay. Tomorrow we will do DR, BDR practical and ASBR practical. Means redistribution. Okay, Bhuvan.
Okay.
So please do this practical. And if you get any problem, then please message me.
Okay.
Okay, Kishore,
Okay, sir.
Abhishek. Okay, bro.